Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Kristen, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this date night look. So we're just going to go ahead and jump right into the video. So here I'm going in with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion and putting just way too much on my eyes. But I'm going to go ahead and blend that in with my finger anyway and try to get the excess off. Don't join the struggle like I did and put less on your eyes. Then I'm going in with this Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette, and this color right here, I'm going to take that and pat that all over my eyelid. So I'll be taking this color right here, and I'm going to go ahead and take a blending brush and put that all over the crease area of my eye. I just want like a more neutral looking eye because I want most of the focus on my lips. Going back into that same palette, I'm going to take this brown shade right here and I'm going to pop that on top of the other brown in my crease and work that in there. Then just taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend those colors together. So that's it for eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with my Sigma Wicked Gel eyeliner and line my eyes. First I like to start in the middle of my eye, and then I just go ahead and line my entire eyelid. I start starting at the bottom of my eye. I bring out my liner as far as I want the wing to go, and then I go back in where I lined it on my eyelid, bring that out to where I put the bottom, and then fill it in. And today then I'm going to bring the eyeliner from the corner of my eye outwards to make it a little bit more dramatic. I'm going to go ahead and finish off my eye by priming my lashes with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then I'm going to pop on these Sasha lashes from Huda Beauty. There they are. Hello, gorgeous. And then I'm going in with my Too Faced primer, my Hangover RX primer. I'm going to rub that all over my face. I'm going in with my NYX Total Control drops in, I don't know what color this is still, honestly, but it matches, and I really like these drops. And I'm going to color correct with this e.l.f. It's just a orange color correcting stick from e.l.f. I like to color correct around my mouth because it's a little bit darker, so then it makes it more even after I put my foundation on. Then I'm going to my beauty blender and blending it out. So then, since this is a buildable foundation, I'm going back in with another layer of it because I felt like the other layer was not enough coverage. So here I'm just doing a bit of contouring with my contour pan from Makeup Geek in the color Scandal. I did also highlight my face, but I have no idea where that footage went, but I will show you what I used. I used the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer and mixed with the Urban Decay Concealer, and I'll put those colors that they are in the bottom. So here I'm going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Deepest Dark, and I'm just gonna set my foundation and buff out those harsh lines that highlighting and contouring might have left. Taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills I'm Resi highlighter, I'm just going to go in with my Kat Von D Lock It setting spray first. I like to spray my face first before I put my highlighter on because it makes the highlighter pop better. If you don't spray your face first, it looks a little powdery, but you can always take a sponge, a wet sponge, and then go over your highlighter to make it look like not so powdery and more like a highlighter. Since it's date night, I'm going to go ahead and put on some blush. This is the Warm Berry blush from Black Radiance, and I just like to put that in between my highlighter and my contour. And then I'm going to go in and make this funny face and put it on the apple of my cheek. Now for the fun part, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty lipstick in Ma Damn, and oh, it's so pretty. Look at this. Look at this pigment. That's one little swipe. It is so pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that. I like to, when I put a lipstick on, put an X where my Cupid's bow is, and then fill out the rest of my lip. Ma Damn! I just love this color. So that's, wait a minute. It's date night. I can't have this bun like I normally do. So let's go ahead and put this hair down. We can't do this right now. No, put it down. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, and comment, and let me know what you guys do for your date nights. And I'll see you next time.